Hello friends, in this video I will discuss how to merge two arrays. Here you can see I've got array 1 by the name of A, and I've got the second array B. Okay, I will combine both the arrays in the third array, that is array C. The length of this array is 4 and the length of the second array is 3. So the third array should be of 7 size, so that it can store 7 elements. Okay, so that is why I have created the third array C, and its size is 7. That means it will store 7 elements. Then I've declared a length variable here which just stores the value of c dot length. C dot length will be 7. Okay, and I'll come to this variable later. Now let's talk about the loop. The loop starts from 0 and it goes up till 1 less than len, that is 6. The loop goes from, that is I, it goes from 0 till 6. And what's happening inside the loop? Inside the loop I am checking the value of if I is less than a dot length. Okay, that means as long as the value of I is below 6, okay, a dot length is not 6, a dot length, its value will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the condition is I is less than 4. That means when I is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So when the value of I is 0, 1, 2 and 3, then this statement will execute. C of 0 is equal to A of 0. Okay, C of 1 is equal to A of 1. C of 2 is equal to A of 2, and C of 3 is equal to A of 3. Okay, and here I is 0, here I is 1, here I is 2 and here I is 3. So you can clearly see that A of 0, that is 2, will go in the 0 index of C. A of 1, which is 5, that will go into C of 1. A of 2, which is 7, will go to C of 2, and A of 3, that is 9, will be copied to C of 3. Okay. So now we are left with C of 4, C of 5 and C of 6. Here I is 4, I is 5 and here I is 6. So here we need to do B of 0, here we need to assign B of 1 and here we need to assign B of 2. So now after so when the value of I is greater than 3, okay, that means the else part will execute. So C of 4 is equal to B of k plus plus. Okay, this is post increment, that means first value of k will be taken. K is 0 initially, k is 0 initially. So B of 0. If you are confused with this statement, I can replace this with this k plus plus. Okay, so let's keep it simple. K value is 0, so B of 0 will be assigned to C of 4. Then k will become 1. Okay, now I will become 5. 5 is less than 7. Control comes inside. This one is false, so else will execute. Now B of 1, k value is 1 now. B of 1 will go to C of 5. Okay, and k will become 2 now. I becomes 6, condition becomes 6 is less than 7, condition is true, control comes inside, the if part is false, so else part will execute, B of 2, k value is 2, B of 2 will go to C of 6, okay. And this is how all the both the arrays, that is A and B, are merged in the third array, that is array C. So let us have a look at the output. Okay, the output part is here. Okay, here I am displaying from 0 till 6. Okay, I am displaying the value of array C, all the elements in the array C. So as you can see, the values are correctly merged in the array C. So I hope you have understood how to merge two arrays in a third array. Thank you.